Hi, this is Eliot from Workload. In this video, we're going to teach you how to automate the process of letting your team know when you have a new sale. We're going to start with a new paid order in Shopify. Then we're going to filter the response through our AI formatter by workload. And finally, we're going to send a new channel message in Slack. Let's build a workflow. We're going to start here at the workload editor. I'm going to give my workflow a title. So this is going to be Shopify to Slack. And we're going to pick for our trigger Shopify. And our event is going to be a new paid order. So anytime an order is paid through Shopify, it's going to initiate this workflow. So I'm logged into my Shopify account, so I'll click continue. And then I'm going to test this trigger to see if there are any recent orders. So here we go. We have a new paid order. And when I look at this order, I can see it's a little bit complicated. Whenever there are some of the responses indented, then I know that there are arrays within the response, and that makes it harder for me to input information directly into Slack. So what I can do is use the AI formatter by workload. So I'm going to click continue here. For my actions step, I'm going to click on the tools icon and select the AI formatter by workload and format data. And when I'm going to send a channel message about this order, I need information about who is buying the product and then information about the product itself. So the first set of information can come to my drop-down menu here, and I'm going to find where all of that personal information about the customer is held within this response. So that's here under billing address. So I'm going to click on billing address, and I'm going to paste in a prompt, create a separate flat response from this array. So this is going to give me the billing address array as its own response. And it's going to be flat so it doesn't contain any more arrays within the response. So I'm going to click continue, and I'm going to test that action. And here we have all the information from the billing address as a flat response. I can easily select the information I want to include in my Slack channel message. So I'm going to click continue. I'm going to add next step. This is also going to be in my AI formatter. And this time, I'm going to pull information about the product. So I'm going to click inside step 1, which is the original response. And I'm going to find here in the line items. This has all the details about what was bought. I'm going to paste in the same prompt, click continue, test that action. And now I have all the details of what was bought and the price. And that is all easy for me to plug into Slack. So now that I have that information formatted, I can click continue. I'm going to add one more step. This is going to be in Slack. And I'm going to send a channel message. Make sure I'm connected to my Slack account. Click continue. The channel I want to send this to is my test channel. And the message text is going to be the details of that product. So baby oil, it cost $17.99, and they ordered 45 bottles. And the bot name I'm going to use from that step 2 will be the name of the person who made the order. I'm going to click continue. We're going to test that action. And we have a success. I'm going to click continue here. And then I'm going to hop over to my Slack channel and see there's the order, the name of the person who made the order, the product, the price, and the quantity. So now my whole team knows about that order, and they can send out that order to that customer. So now I'm happy with my workflow, and there's a green dot in the corner of each one of my nodes here. Then I can activate this workflow, and every time I have a new paid order in Shopify, it will filter that response and then send a channel message in Slack. That's how to build a workflow that will send a Slack channel message whenever you receive a new paid order in Shopify. Please like and subscribe to this video to receive more content from Workload about how to make your business practices flow more smoothly. And I'll see you next time.